No, this is not a science fiction movie. It's Mr. Piano, $ Carlton Moxley. Getting ready to start his morning. I don't even think it's 6 o'clock in the morning yet. I got up around 5:30 or so. I don't drink coffee, but I can use the raw. They have brown raw sugar downstairs. I'm not gonna drink the coffee. I used to drink coffee when I was in the Navy. I used to drink about 8 cups. I used to put cold water in it so I can guzzle it down, because they used to, when we was on service week, that's when they wake you up like 3 o'clock in the morning. You don't get back to bed till sometimes 11. Service week in boot camp. That was in the Army. And the Navy has a service week too, when you have to work in the galley for a little while. Everybody has to do that. I think it's some MOSs that didn't have to though. I was in the salad bar area. The vegetable, the spud locker they called it. Spud locker. Always wear my mask on the elevator, wear my gloves so I don't have to wash my hands as much. I wash my hands, but I don't have to scrub them. So only my fingertips are exposed. Doesn't look like any brown sugars down here. Nope, no brown sugar and only one coffee. I'm not gonna take that one. Haven't seen this kind before. I'm not gonna take that. Some people really have to have that coffee in the morning. I use brown sugar. And I had some corn syrup, jelly. Corn syrup with corn syrup in it. I stayed away from corn syrup for years. Check my mailbox while I'm here. I don't think I got out yesterday. My back is a lot better. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, I bought my batteries up from the car. And the big one I didn't lift properly. And I pulled my back muscle. Oh boy, I mean, seriously pulled too. I could barely bend over, put my clothes on. It's a lot better. Yesterday, I found a USB heating pad. Supposed to be some snow headed this way around 11 o'clock today. But I'm going to get into my DOS software. I haven't been getting into anything lately. Just been talking to you guys. But I'm going to go to Studio One. I forgot the name of the company, is Studio One. And I think I need to ask them to relinquish one of my computer accounts so that I can use Studio 4 for free. I paid for Studio 4, but I think I'm going to go ahead and spend $19, even though I'm on a shoestring budget. I'm going to have to go in the subway and play before the 19th if I want to. I think I have to pay my car insurance before the 19th. It's not too much, but I know it's not TMI neither. There may be somebody out here who can make a donation, a belated birthday present. And I told you this hallway, I'm gonna start coming out here and practicing. Go up, bring my little chair out here and sit on the step. Cause, listen. It'd be perfect to practice saxophone out here. That saxophone has a little teeny speaker on it, built in on it. I'm going to end up getting a small Bluetooth. But the Bluetooth has to have the earphone hole. A lot of your Bluetooth the new Bluetooth speakers don't even have an earphone hole on. If they have another saxophone, I think the next one they have has Bluetooth on it. The one I have, I think the one right after mine has a Bluetooth. But it's the same. That'll be a luxury item to get something like that with just for the Bluetooth. Here we are back in the. Like I said, when I come back in, I don't have to scrub my hands as much because I didn't touch anything, but you still want to wash your hands even though if you don't touch anything. I'm gonna put this up. I'm not gonna put this up as a short. Put this up as a video. Let me get over here. Yeah, I have two things I want to do. I want to set up Pro Tools, and I want to download Studio One, the new Studio One. I'm gonna rent that for a month. So I might as well. I can put some molasses in my smoothie, and I'll get right in there, and this will hold me. I'm cooking what's the name? Lentils with, here's some rice here. But I had a lot of rice in the icebox already. I keep forgetting. Get ready to run my dishwasher. Yeah, if you hadn't subscribed, please subscribe. I lost a couple of subscribers the other week. Oh. Use some more. It's kind of, no, it's not that thick. Probably don't even have, just got to make sure it's ground up good. I actually put some meat in my smoothie. I gotta make sure this is ground up good. Running low. Get some more of this lemon lime, garlic water. I gained a couple of pounds this morning too. Usually I'm only like around 25. I was 27 pounds today. Gained 2 pounds. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go out and play in the subway before the 19th. You know what though? I should just go down next door and have somebody. I can smell the ham in here. I can go next door and ask somebody to, I think they fill out your tax returns. I have a return here. Where is it? It's in the, oh, it's in my, here, it's right here. It's a return. Let's see what they call it, state and local income tax refund credit or offset. I should have took it down there the first day I got it. I'm pretty sure they do it next door for free. They should. But let's do this one more time, and I can get in the studio. That's nice and blended. Let's see. Yeah, that's kind of smoothie. Not too thick. And I'm gonna boil some potatoes just to have, try to put some meat on. I'll do that in a minute. Need to put some more need to put some more water in my filter. I boil my water and then I put it in a jar in a window, let the UV shine on it, and then I pour after boiling it, and then UV, then I put it through the filter. But let's get in the studio. Let's get over here in the studio. Sun is not even up yet. It may be at the crack of dawn. I can't see the building. The new building is blocking the way, so I can't see. I'm gonna put it right on the one, then I'm gonna cut. But please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. Thank you for your support.